Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing video. These packages just arrived from China and I want us to unbox them together. Here comes my 1-year-old son Michael. He's so excited and cannot wait to see what is inside the packages. And here comes my madam of the house, Anel. She's 3 years old and she can't wait to also see what's inside the packages. So guys, there's one thing I love about importation is you being able to sit down at the comfort of your home and order whatsoever you like from China. So this product I'm holding right here is a sunscreen, a facial sunscreen. So I ordered it. I said, okay, let me try it out. Let me see how it works. So when I noticed the ring light wasn't giving what I want, I had to like put it off so that you can see it very well. I right here, I'm trying to open it, then apply it on my face. Yes, this is sunscreen. So guys, like I said earlier, why I love mini importation is the ability to sit down at the comfort of your home with just your mobile phone. You order whatsoever you want from China and you have it shipped down to Nigeria. All you need to do is send a rider to pick them up. And one thing I love about it again is ability to buy different kinds of products. Okay, this is my lapel microphone. Yes, the one I was using before had issues. So this time I decided to order two pieces because I don't want to give chances at all to not using microphone. If you watch my previous videos, you see that I didn't use microphone there. So I bought it for just lesser than I think 4,000 or 5,000. That is the old one I was using before. So let us move on to the next unboxing. Yeah, this is my son's sandals. I ordered it for him. This is what I do. Whenever I see anything I like, I'll just order it. I hardly buy stuffs in Nigeria. Why should I? So my son is excited about his new sandals. Now, guess what is inside this box? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what is inside this box? Okay, let me allow you to guess. It is potty. Yes, potty, children's potty. See, guys, my husband insisted that I order the same exact potty I ordered 2 years ago for my daughter. That is what you are seeing on the screen right now. That is the potty I ordered for my daughter 2 years ago. He insisted I order the same exact one for my son because it is big and more comfortable. So guys, this is me trying to fix it to make it okay. So guys, this potty I bought it for less than 4,000 naira. So the shipping fee is expensive. You know, air shipping is expensive. I paid about 7,714 naira for the shipping fee. Can you imagine that? The shipping fee is way more than the cost price. I won't advise you to buy it for air shipping. Please, if you want to buy this potty, don't do air shipping for it. Do sea shipping, okay? Because it has weight. So this particular package is for a customer, so that's why I didn't unbox it. This is my son sitting on the potty. Look at how comfortable it is. So this is the one my son was using before. When he sits on it, whenever he wants to pee and poo poo, all the wee wee, everything, all the pee will just be on the floor. So this one is just better because that one is small. This one is more comfortable. So yeah, I'm trying to remove his shoe and wearing his new sandals. Oh my god, check that out. It's so beautiful. You can also order this from China for your children. Just sit down in the comfort of your home and do that. So this is my son rocking the sandals already with the bling bling light. Oh, see, this boy didn't allow this potty to rest. He's just trying to sit on it and his leg got stuck. Oh my god, I think he's excited about the potty. So guys, this is the package that arrived the previous week. This is me trying to unbox it. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. This is the sandals my son was wearing that I removed earlier to wear him the new sandals. This is me unboxing glasses, two pieces. See, one thing I love about this importation is you can order as many quantity as you want. Some people would say, oh, they say you cannot buy lesser than three pieces. You can order one piece, you can order two pieces. This is me unboxing this new trendy silky scarf, and this is me unboxing a sandals I ordered for some customer. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget you can order as many products as you want, the quantity you want. You can order from China. See you in my next video. Bye bye.